Can you imagine saving $10,000 in just 1 year, even on a low income? It might sound impossible, but I'm here to show you how it's actually within your reach. Whether you're struggling with paycheck to paycheck living or just trying to build a better financial future, these tips are practical and designed for real people like you. In this video, I'll break down simple, actionable steps to help you cut unnecessary expenses, boost your savings, and even grow your income. Stick around to the end, because one of these tips might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Why saving is important. Let's talk about why saving $10,000 matters. For starters, having that kind of money saved up can give you peace of mind, whether it's for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or even taking the first steps toward financial independence. But here's the problem. Most people struggle to save because life is expensive, and unexpected bills always seem to pop up. Does that sound familiar? The good news is that it doesn't have to be this way. By making small, consistent changes to your habits, you can finally take control of your finances and build a safety net that sets you up for success. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen. Step-by-step guide to saving $10,000. 1. Create a realistic budget and track every dollar. The first step is to know exactly where your money is going. Start by writing down all your income and expenses, every single dollar. Use tools like budgeting apps or even a simple notebook. Once you see where your money is going, you'll probably spot some surprises, like that daily coffee run or streaming service you forgot about. Cut out anything that's not essential and redirect those funds toward savings. Here's an example. If you can save just $27.40 a day, you'll hit $10,000 in a year. 2. Identify and cut unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your spending and ask yourself, what can I live without? Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Cook at home instead of eating out. Use public transportation or carpool to save on gas. These small changes can add up to big savings. For instance, cutting out a $50 monthly subscription and cooking at home 3 nights a week could save you hundreds of dollars each month. 3. Set savings goals and automate transfers. Saving is much easier when you have a clear goal. Divide your $10,000 target into smaller monthly goals, around $834 a month, and track your progress. Automation is your best friend here. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account every payday. This way, saving becomes a habit, not an afterthought. 4. Explore ways to increase income. If cutting expenses isn't enough, it's time to think about earning more. You don't need a second job. Sometimes a simple side hustle can make a difference. Sell unused items online. Offer freelance services in areas like writing, graphic design, or tutoring. Try gig economy apps like ride sharing or food delivery. For example, earning just $200 a week from a side hustle adds up to over $10,000 in a year. 5. Use tools and apps to stay on track. There are so many free tools out there to help you stay organized. Apps like Mint, OneApp, You Need a Budget, or even spreadsheets can keep your finances on track. Use them to set alerts for overspending and track your progress toward your savings goal. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Now, let's talk about the mistakes people often make when trying to save money. Impulse spending. Avoid this by waiting 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. Not tracking progress. Keep your goal visible on your phone, fridge, or planner. Seeing your progress will motivate you to keep going. Giving up. Too soon. Saving takes time. Don't get discouraged if you slip up 1 month, just get back on track the next. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about staying consistent. Let's recap. Saving $10,000 in 1 year comes down to creating a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, setting goals, automating savings, and finding creative ways to boost your income. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Imagine the peace of mind and opportunities that $10,000 could bring you in just 12 months. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos that help you take control of your finances. And let me know in the comments. What's your biggest savings goal for this year? Remember, every dollar saved today is one step closer to a brighter financial future. You've got this. Subscribe now for more financial tips and strategies.